bitch like young. Yeah. I bought a yours and the penny all yellow like a bird. Inside be back 2 times 2. My money, bitch, all I got. Yeah. I made money,
Hey y'all, it's Shaka 2. I'm back here to give another video. So today, I know I'm late, but not too much. We're gonna be trying this Dubai chocolate. It's so small. This Dubai chocolate. What the rest of the designs at?
Mom,
They only gave me like
what?
2 strips.
I'm sorry, this is $18.99 chocolate.
That was not satisfied at all. Keisha, you wanna try a piece?
No, I'm good. Stop being scared, Keith.
Coco, you wanna try a piece, Cole?
I'm scared too.
Challenge waiting for us. That's for sure. Let's go. Welcome to Multi-Do Challenge.
This is not worth no $12.
Give me an inch. Let me see. I just need an inch. I'm not trying to.
8 seconds in your bag.
You can drink and take some pistachio. And
This tastes like it ain't got no life in it. I think it would be better if it was Hershey chocolate
Yeah. Y'all can keep that.
instead of this nasty milk chocolate.
you want to try Dubai chocolate? Yeah, it was
I don't like
Hershey
it.
chocolate.
And it's not worth $12 for half a design.
Hello, may I help you check your ticket, ma'am? Oh, that's great.
It was disgusting. I rated it 1 out of 10.
No, I'm late.
The pistachios are pretty good. Chocolate needs some sugar in it, and I feel like I could have made this myself. Like, yeah, we're too ready to go.
Where's my seat again?
You ate the whole thing.
What's your rate, Cole? 1?
Y'all gonna see it when it come out her diaper.
Coco's good. Coco said 1.
What y'all, it's not over, but we just gonna collab the Dubai chocolate first with this. I'm gonna
I got 40
try
hour vacation time.
this ice cream, the strawberry cheesecake ice cream. Even though I'm gonna tell you, but mind your business.
Eat it.
Coco.
Ladies. So bright.
I can taste this, the crumb, like the crust of the strawberry cheesecake in here is good. Strawberry.
Let me see today.
Hold on, let me get the strawberry out. It's good. I already.
Mom, you got that. Hey, this is wrong. Michael eat that too.
Me
too. I eat those.
But like, yo, go try it because it's actually good.
Mom, try some. What is this?
TB.
I'm going to watch
For my play time, trying two different things. Pistachio, Dubai chocolate, ice cream.
Yeah. Once again.
That little bitch like young. Yeah. I bought a yours and the penny all yellow